Good morning friends. How are you all? Welcome to my channel Pratibha Hindi Teacher. In this session today we are going to solve physical science PYQs and the year is 2023. So let's start friends. First question. Which of the following does not affect friction? These are the options friends. Read the options friends and write in the paper or comment in the comment section. Roughness of surface, area of contact of the surfaces, smoothness of surfaces. Fourth option, normal surface. What is the question friends? Which of the following does not affect friction? So friends, what do you think? What is the right answer? Does not affect. They are asking does not affect, and the right answer is area of contact of the surfaces. So friends, next answer. Next question friends. Which of the following is generally called fake fur? Fake fur. Options are acrylic, silk, rayon and jute. I am giving you 5 seconds friends. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is acrylic. Next question friends. Third question. Audible range of frequency for normal human beings is. See the options friends. See the options friends. I'm giving you 5 seconds friends. After that you have to write your answer in the paper on 5 seconds time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the correct answer is 20 vibrations or seconds to 20,000 vibrations. Next question friends. The eclipse formed when the moon completely covers the sun as seen from the earth is. Eclipse formed when the moon completely covers the sun as seen from the earth is. Here are the options friends. I am giving you 5 seconds. Total lunar eclipse, penumbral lunar eclipse, total solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse. And the correct answer is total solar eclipse. Yes. Friends, this is the example of contact area. First question what we read. This is a picture. Just observe the picture and understand. from first and second image. Nominal contact area and true contact area. If you are confused, go back and read the first question, then again see this picture. In the first, they are showing nominal contact area. This blue line, red color, blue color and black color. In the second of picture, surface area. Just observe the blue color. This picture is trying to explain us about contact surface area. Okay friends? This is total solar eclipse. In this picture, this is sun. First image is sun, in the middle moon and third is earth. So here the moon. In the question, total solar eclipse, they are saying moon completely covers the sun as seen from the earth. Now observe the picture carefully. Here moon, it completely covers the sun when we observe it from the earth. This is the second picture. Types of solar eclipse. Just only observe first picture. This picture is this first total solar eclipse. It is related to our question. So you only observe and try to understand total solar eclipse. In total solar eclipse, when it occurs, friends, the total solar eclipse occurs where the moon's full shadow touches. Then solar eclipse occurs. Try to understand this picture and relate with your question. Okay friends? Next question friends. Image of a real object in a plane mirror is. Image of a real object in a plane mirror is. See the options friends. They gave 4 options. Correct 3 options we have to choose. Okay, I am giving you 5 seconds. Virtual, suffers, lateral, inversion, real, same size of the object. Image of a real object in a plane mirror. Virtual, yes, we can see, but we can't touch. In a plane mirror, the object we can see, but we can't touch. Suffers lateral inversion. I will explain this friends. Same size. It is same size. Okay, explanation friends. Now I will explain few points. See this picture friends. Plane mirror. So it is a virtual. That means we can see the spot, but from the mirror we can't touch. In real life we can touch, but when we are seeing from the mirror we can't touch the reflection. Only with our eyes we can see. And see the size, it is the same size. And see the position, erect, upward, it is straight. This is the second picture of plane mirror. A flat reflecting surface is called a plane. Flat surface, reflecting surface is called a plane. Plane means two-dimensional surface. Okay, next picture. So friends, understand this picture. You will definitely get 1 mark in every exam. Image formed by plane mirror. Firstly, it is virtual, which we can see, but we can't touch. And second point, equal. Image is equal. Third point, the image found is far behind the mirror as the object is in front. Just understand it as same. Only little bit changes are there. Side of the image found, side of the mirror. Fourth point, laterally inverted. I will explain you what is the meaning of laterally inverted. Okay friends, see this picture friends, observe it carefully and understand and remember. Understand, remember. Laterally inverted describes the effect where an image is flipped from left to right. Observe this this image, the original and mirror reflection image. Right side appears as left side. Important points are, right side appears as left side of the reflection, and the second point is horizontally. Okay, one second. So this is the meaning of lateral. It becomes horizontal. It becomes horizontal. Horizontal. Okay friends. In clear mirror, it changes. It is in lateral inversion. It is in lateral inversion. Left becomes right. And in the question, this is 1 mark. One question. This is one question. You will get one answer. from this lateral inversion from left to right, horizontal flip. When they will ask inverted, it becomes top to bottom, upside down. This is the second question. Top to bottom, upside down. And visual meaning. Reflection, visual image. It's a reflection in the plane mirror which you can see what you can't touch. Plane mirror revision. 5 seconds revision, friends. The object size and the image size both are same, and the distance from the mirror and image distance from mirror both are same. Upright attitude, orientation is always upright. Erect, it is always straight, horizontally flipped, and it is always in a plane mirror. In a plane mirror, the reflection is virtual image, and the image is fifth point reversed, left to right, horizontal. This is the meaning, friends. Erect means something that is standing straight up or in a vertical position. For plane mirror, I am giving this example for you to understand in a simple way. So the answer is 1, 2 and 4. Next question, friends. Which of the following are compound substances? Here are the options. I am giving you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which of the following are compound substances? And the correct answer is salt and sugar. Friends, what is the meaning of compound substances? Why second and fourth are wrong? Because compound substances means two substances. From two substances, the third substance is formed. When we add up two substances, from that the other third substances, new substance is formed. So this is called compound substances. Explanation of compound substance. Sorry, friends. Compound substance. New substance formed from two or more elements. This is the example what Google gave me to understand in a simple way. Read it by yourself. Two different things join together to become one single unit. Just to understand you in a simple way. This is the meaning of compound substance. When two or more elements are found, one new substance is found. So here they give examples. The recipe example. Substance A. Substance A. Sodium, a dangerous metal. Substance B. Chlorine, a poisonous gas. These are two elements. Now a new substance result. A new substance is found. So this is the example. Table salt. One safe compound. This is the example for compound substance. Okay friends, I hope you understand. Next question friends. Which of the following is a displacement reaction? See the options friends. See, I am giving you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, explanation friends. What is a displacement reaction? So, they gave the definition. When a more reactive element pushes out a less reactive element from its compound, more reactive element pushes out less reactive element from its compound. It is called displacement reaction. So here they gave Google gave in a simple words to understand friends. Read these lines. Try to understand. Think of it like a stronger person taking someone's seat on a bench because they are more powerful. More reactive elements pushes less reactive element from its compound. Okay, now we understood. Now we understood what is the definition of displacement reaction. See in simple examples what they gave. Element A plus compound VC gives compound AC plus element V. So friends, remember this equation and relate with those questions. Displacement reaction questions. Element A plus compound VC gives compound AC plus element V. In real life, if you put an iron nail in copper sulfate solution, okay, iron nail in copper sulfate solution, the iron it is stronger, kicks out copper, weaker, copper is a weaker to take out this place. Why does it happen? In displacement reaction, it only works if an attacker is more reactive than the one already in the compound. So, displacement means, reaction means strong plus weak. Displacement happens. Weak plus strong, nothing happens. So, I hope this image helped you friends. Remember this equation, this one, element A, this one, element A plus compound VC. Now we'll relate this with our question. So I am giving you this as a trick friends. If I am wrong, please forgive me. Okay, let's do this. This is element A. Okay friends, this is compound VC. We are doing distillation reaction, VC. Now, what it gives, we'll see. The CA comes here. A and AC, right? AC. This here, V element, V, it will come. See you. Just now we read in the example what I showed you. Once again I will show you. This one. The kick out element A plus compound VC gives compound AC plus element V. Remember this trick, friends. Okay. See the answer. This is the right answer. Next question, friends. One of the uses of baking soda among the following is. I am giving you 5 seconds. Read these options by yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of the uses of baking soda among the following is. Correct answer is, it is used as soda acid in fire extinguishers. This is the correct answer, friends. Next question. Which of the following is known as liquid gold? I am giving you 5 seconds. Read these options, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's eliminate. No need of elimination. Okay. Correct answer is petroleum, friends. The separation method used to observe the colors in a mixture of colors is. Options: evaporation, sublimation, chromatography, crystallization. Separation methods used in which we observe the colors. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the correct answer is chromatography, friends. Now I will give you explanation. See this image, friends. This is the experiment, chromatography experiment. In this, colors are separated. In this method, separation of colors. Yeah, it happened. Separation of colors. This is the second image. Filter paper, paper towel, scissor, jar, pencil, water. So result. See the result. This separation technique is called paper chromatography. The colored inks dissolve in the water and travel up the filter paper. Different color inks travel at different speeds and over further distances. In chromatography, what happened, friends? Separation of colors, it happened. So, evaporation. This is the difference between evaporation and boiling. Evaporation, it happens on surface of liquid. This is an important point which we have to remember. Read these points by yourself, friends. Difference between evaporation, boiling point. Here in this picture they gave what is the meaning of evaporation and condensation. Evaporation, liquid turns into gas, water vapor with heat. And in condensation, gas turns back into liquid when cooled. In evaporation, liquid water changes to water vapor gas. Liquid water changes to water vapor gas as it gains heat energy from the sun. This is called evaporation. In the exam they will ask you, friends, what is the evaporation? What is condensation? So remember this picture. In condensation, water vapor cools and changes back to liquid droplets, forming clouds. Sublimation. Melt. Ice, it melts. Melt, evaporate, then condense, solidify, then again it becomes ice. This is sublimation. So remember this image, friends. In the options they gave, that's why I am explaining, showing you images to remember. Sublimation, a solid turns directly into a gas. This is sublimation example. And deposition, a gas turns directly into a solid. Sublimation, a change of state directly from solid to gas. Deposition, gas to solid. Phase changes of matter. Melting, solid to liquid. Freezing, liquid to solid. Vaporization, liquid to gas. Next, condensation, gas to liquid. Sublimation, solid to gas. Deposition, gas to solid. This is an example for crystallization, friends. So, just to remember, I am explaining you what is the meaning of crystallization. So, observe step 1. In a jar, solvent and few solids are there. Then we have to stir the impure solid. In the step 2, the solution is heated to evaporate most of the solvent. Now we heat. Why we heat? To evaporate the solvent. Step 3. So after evaporating, after heating up, the solution is allowed to cool to obtain crystals. Third step is to cool down the solution. In the fourth step, crystals are formed. So this is called crystallization. You have learned evaporation, sublimation, crystallization, chromatography. So friends, today we solved 10 PYQs from the subject physical science. Please, after watching this video, Please like, share and follow and subscribe to my channel. Give me feedback how you felt and what are the improvements I have to do. And meet you in the next session. Thank you friends. Happy preparation.